friends and welcome back to Let's Play Pokemon Platinum. In the last episode, we took down Crasher City's gym leader Crasherwick and got the Fen badge. And in this episode, we're gonna continue our journey in the Sinnoh region. And also, let's go. Hey, what am I? I'm Chopper Liver. Don't forget, I'm here too. So, where's the Team Gala? Doom! That was safe. You, what have you done? What have you done? You're risking. You're risking? Well, technically speaking, it wasn't me. The package, the terrible see that it was a bomb. Okay. Okay. You do your thing, Vic, and you, Barry. I'm gonna chase out that Galactic Grunt. Why are you after me? Okay. Hi. But the boy, that Galactic Wing's a pretty big wallop. With this baby here's there, not much we can blow up, okay? Hey, B, C, D. Hello, my friend. The cargo. Okay, the explosion was at the Great Marsh. Furthermore, you are a pursuing man. A man with funny bowl cut hair in an outfit, okay? Okay, let's go. Okay, look at do your thing. I want to complete my journey in the Sinnoh region. Fuck F off. Okay, let's go. And I'm gonna defeat you, guy. Okay, let's go. Let's talk to this man and let's defeat him. Okay. He had a Krogan. Sorry, Arza is gonna obliterate you. Psycho catch! And we defeated the Team Galactic Grunt. And let's go. Cynthia! Oh, hello, long time no see. How is your Pokédex filling up? I came to research the folklore about the lake, but well, it doesn't appear as if the lake is open to public now. Have you heard the folklore about it? They say there's an island inside the lake. And inside there's a mirage of a Pokemon. No one must enter the chamber of that Pokemon. Oh, that's right, I had to talk to you about something else. Hey Lucas, where that Galactic Goon run off to? Huh? Is this your older sister? No, she isn't. Oh, okay. That explosion in the Great Marsh, it wasn't anything serious. Mr. Beck told me to tell you that. But that Team Galactic, wow. Are they out of control or what? Next time I see them, I'll teach them a lesson. Then see you around. He's your friend. He's more impatient than he is energetic, isn't he? So getting back to what I started saying earlier, have you seen the group of Sadakos? Yes, please give me that duck spray. And let's go back to the place, guys. I'll see you guys when we reach the place. Okay, guys, we are back. And we are back at Celestian Town now. Because in the Celestian Town, I have to we wanna continue our journey. So we are back at here. So let's use a bicycle. And watch. Let's go. Yes, let's use that spray. Let's remove those things. And they are gone. And Cynthia. Oh, good. Use that secret potion I gave you. Sidecar not to suffer from. Okay, please. Please go away. Please. Okay. You give me the old charm to give you. I'm not reading the dialogue because I got bored of reading the dialogue. Because I'm not a person who is very interested in this. Okay. Let's continue. And there's a trainer. Okay, guys. I defeated him. Oh, these ninja boys are a struggle. And let's go. As you guys can see in the layout, I have another Pokemon here that's being in Starly. Let's go for a Defog. Starly use Defog. Let's continue. And we do not have cut the moment we need it. Bye bye, Grotle. What? You survived? You are going to be dead now. So bye bye, Grotle. Yes. Let's continue. Man, skipping these trainers is a pain in the ass. You can't give me a lot of trouble if I had defog. You fucking Ernest. Should I go? Okay. Okay, black belt Adam. Radham. Another time. Okay, Ninja boy. You are a great boy. Smoke ball. And also I turned on the music now. No! Bye bye. I'll see you in your afterlife. Okay. Yeah, old man. Turn around. You survived 2 drain punch. You are a beast with TV light. Thankfully, it doesn't exist in this gen, or else you would have obliterated me. Okay. Let's continue. And ripple effect wore off. Let's go. Let's seal up our party. And I think you can get a choice specs in this here. So let's talk to this old lady. No, this old man. We got a great ball. This little girl. Okay. I might pick it up after. Please. I'll see you guys when I got 10 choice packs. Hey, there are some few quick balls. So let's buy 20 about them. And dusk balls 5. Okay, let's buy another 5. Because who's this man? I think he's a. Okay, give us black glasses. Man, who's gonna give us that freaking choice packs? No, I do not want to learn about my spirit. Man, I think we can't get choice packs in this place. Man, I really thought you were gonna get some choice packs. I think we can't get them. Let's talk to him. You little boy, please give me some choice packs. What? No, you can't get any choice packs here. F off then. F this game then. What? Can't get choice packs here? I thought you can get that here. My whole life is a lie. The lad. My man, my boy. Huh? Misclick. No. Hey, look at that. My boy. We defeated the Galactic Grant. Take that. Oh, you are making sure, aren't you? The quiet runner as the elder of Celestia and you. Okay. And we got the old charm. And okay. Let's go inside. So, since we have that in front. Okay. The cave painting meaning is to be this. There's existed being so powerful they were considered deities at the time. They were okay. Okay, Cyrus. My name is Cyrus. I want to put an end to this pointless strife and hostility. I'm speaking to the okay. Let's check on Cyrus. Cyrus. Hiruga itana says. Sorry, Lucas says. Team Galactic Boss Cyrus. I got so used to saying Ethan versus. So sorry guys. If I ever say Ethan, sorry, my name is Lucas. My real name starts with Yum, of course. Let's go for flamethrower. Bye bye, Golbat. I usually associate Alex being a physical attacker because of its Iron Fist ability, but it could work as a special too. And fighting types are very bad against Cyrus because it had so many flying types, so it will only help against his Houndoom and his Weavile. So and we got Chambo 3, which is being served. And so that's the first episode, guys. So yeah, that's the first episode, guys. Also next episode, let's play Pokemon Platinum. So yeah, peace.